I'm Hawaiian Dan with SeaEagle.com, and welcome to the Green Swivel Seat Fishing Rig Instructions. The Green Swivel Seat Fishing Rig is guaranteed to greatly improve your experience while out on the water. Each swivel seat fishing rig kit includes the following: aluminum H-frame, folding swivel seat, 2 Scotty rod holder with bases, 4 1-inch hex head bolts, 4 wing nuts, 8 1-inch Phillips head screws, and 2 4-foot cinch straps. You'll want to have handy a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, 7/16 wrench, and pliers. There are 4 pre-drilled holes on each side of the long aluminum crossbar for attaching your 2 Scotty rod holder bases. With the new style push button releases nearest the outside edge, attach each base using 4 1-inch Phillips head screws. To attach the seat, offset the swivel seat plate located underneath and insert the 4 1-inch hex head bolts from the top down. Then insert the bolts through the 4 pre-drilled holes in the aluminum crossboard and securely tighten them with 4 wing nuts. If you choose to use the optional 7-inch pedestal, repeat the last steps with the pedestal attached in between the seat and the aluminum H-frame. Then insert your Scotty rod holders or Scotty accessory of choice and you're ready to go. The Swivel Seat Fishing Rig Kit is an excellent accessory that will provide you with hours upon hours of back support, seat cushion comfort, and swiveling accessibility. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the link below. Hit the thumbs up button, remember to share it with your family and friends, and post your comments and questions in the section below. Until next time, I'm Hawaiian Dan from SeaEagle.com, and I'll see you out on the water. Aloha.